What's going on, everyone? Today we're gonna make our first video. Call me Goros the Gun Guy, and today we're gonna have a shootout with the AK and the AR. We're gonna see which one's better. Alright guys, so we have these two guns. We're gonna see which one is better at penetrating through the objects that we have. So we have a paper plate, over 140 paper plates in this pile, and we have another one set up over there next to the GoPro. Then we have a couple of foil balls that we're gonna be shooting through, one for the AR and one for the AK. And last, we have a dumbbell out there. It's a 30-pound dumbbell, and we're gonna see which one does more damage to the dumbbell. For the end of the 3 challenges, we have a big surprise at the end that we're gonna be shooting. So stick around and comment below which one you think is gonna penetrate through more plates and through the foil and do more damage to the dumbbell. So comment down below and let us know. We're gonna see how it goes. All right guys, so first we have the AK47. I put 3 rounds in the clip. I'm gonna shoot 2 down range and then 1 towards the paper plates. Let's see what happens. That one went straight through. You know, from over here.
Oh yeah.
Entry hole nice and small. Exit hole easy.
Easy.
That one went in too easy. Alright, so now we're gonna try out the AR15 and we're gonna see if it goes through all of them. Alright guys, for the second gun, we have the M&P AR15, and I put 3 bullets. I have 2 normal brass bullets. The third bullet is gonna be a green tip. So we're gonna send 2 down range and 1 at the plate. Did that hit it? Where'd that hit at?
I don't think you hit it.
Oh, it hit it at the bottom. I hit it down low.
Look at the damage it did, bro.
The exit hole for the green tip bullet hit there and tore up the seat. That's crazy. So the exit wound on the plates did a little bit more damage compared to the AK47. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stack 2 piles of the plates and we're gonna see which one goes farther. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we stacked up double the amount of plates that we first had out there. It seemed like it went through it too easy. So now we're gonna try to go through 340 plates. See the damage the AK47 does to double the plates. Ready? See the damage.
Holy.
Dang. The exit hole on that one was pretty significant. Went through all the plates. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna load up some green tips on the AR15 and we're gonna see if it does the same amount of damage. Alright guys, now we have the AR15 and we're gonna shoot to the 2 stacks of plates that we have set up. And we're gonna see if these green tips will make it all the way through. Ooh,
Wait, is that from the...
Is that the same one? No, it went through the same hole. Let me check the front just to make sure. Bam, bam. AK47 had a much bigger hole than the green tip. This is the green tip. That's the AK. Came out the same exact hole, so the exit hole is going to be pretty big. So now we're going to do the next challenge, and it's going to be the dumbbell, and we're going to see which one does more damage.
Let's do it!
Alright guys, back out with the AK47, and for the next challenge we have a 30-pound dumbbell, and we're going to see whether the AK or the AR does more damage. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. This is very unsafe, so do not try this at home, kids. Knock that sucker right over. So as you can see, chip that whole sucker right on the corner of it. I hit it kind of nasty. Now we're gonna reposition a little bit. We're gonna shoot it with the AR and see what does more.
Let's do it!
Shot it twice for good measure.
Money.
Now we can see. Dang. Oh wow. So the AK-47, as you can see right there, did that one. And I shot it twice with the AR15. Wow, that's gonna be a hard one to decide. The gun's empty, just so you guys know. Don't want anyone to think I'm unsafe or anything like that. So, we got a significant amount of damage on this one. Comment down below which one you guys think won. But to me, it looks like the AR-15 with the green tip took that sucker out. Guys, we were gonna shoot the foil wraps, but I think it'd go through too easy. So we're gonna end off with the finale right now. Hope you guys enjoy.
Yay!
Alright guys, so we're down to the end of the video, and we chose the AR-15 to shoot our little surprise. So if you guys want to look down range, there's a little surprise we had. And like I said before, do not try this at home. Just make it happen. Oh shit. Alright guys, as you can see, grand finale right there.
Damn it. I got that shit good, bro.
Yeah, you got a good angle or what?
You can see a little hole through there. Shit, where's it come through? Damn, pinche loco. Where's it come through? It ain't come through, no?
No, it didn't. Alright guys, so as you can see, the little green tip bullet left a little entrance hole, no exit hole, so the bullet's gonna still be in there. When the video is over, we're gonna try to find it, try to see if we can pull it out. Now we're gonna keep shooting the sucker. Alright guys, we just ran down to the end of the video. Comment down below which one you guys think won, AR-15 or the AK-47. So just stay tuned. Hopefully next week we can get another video out to you guys. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, whatever you need to do, and subscribe to the camera guy.